The Cat B6S mini excavator hammer is usable in a wide range of construction and light demolition applications, including breaking concrete, pavement, roads, masonry, site prep, landscaping, and breaking frozen ground. This hammer has hydraulic lines that are positioned and designed to optimize serviceability and are easily accessible and require no specific tools. Its gas-fired design will consistently deliver high production, making the breaker optimal for concrete, asphalt, rock, and light trenching. Every B6S comes with a conical and transverse chisel. Available in a variety of sizes, including B6S, B6 side mount, and B8.